Hello everybody, Jordan Nelson here. Today I want to briefly talk about how you can create opportunity with the video production skills that you have, both now and in the long term. I know a lot of you watch my channel because of wedding filmmaking, but right here I'm going to try to expand outward from that and create more opportunities with the skills that you have from shooting weddings. If you Google the top 10 hard skills that companies are looking for, video production is typically going to be in your top 10. And that goes with like cloud computing and blockchain and sales and all these other hard skills that you think, man, yeah, that's really valuable. Video production is right up there near the top. So having video production skills at any level, you don't have to have a ton of equipment, even the simplest type of video production skills, that is sought after. Let me give you my personal example to show you how you don't have to be a professional videographer to become marketable and valuable to your company or to future companies because you have video production skills. So I have never been a full-time videographer for anybody. And then I've worked at a non-for-profit doing community development, so that means fundraising and kind of marketing. I've worked for an insurance agent, that was the one exception, didn't use any video production stuff there. And I now work for another company on a marketing team where I'm doing more coordination and outreach type activities. I'm not primarily doing video. But let me show you how valuable you can become just by having these video production skills. So when I was working for the non-for-profit, I bought my very first camera while working for that nonprofit. And then I was taking photos and videos of the different events that we had. And that was getting me kind of warmed up to be able to get comfortable in the video production world. Then I started shooting weddings. So then that really ramped up my video skills, the equipment I now had. I was learning a lot of the nuances of videography and continuing to grow over time. I've been at my current company for about 2.5 years, and they knew that I had video experience doing weddings. So that was something that caught their eye when they wanted me on the marketing team. So that was automatically a marketable skill that they could see, hey, down the line, we can start to build up our video portfolio and start using that in more marketing pieces. So I learned my base job and really trying to get good at my primary objectives of doing, the different marketing tasks that I was assigned to. Videography wasn't really a main component to start off. So I've been really trying to excel in my main position. But now as we're starting to improve and grow in our marketing efforts, we've recently bought a ton of equipment to have in-house videography, to do events, to do trainings, because typically we would send out emails that had links and text and things like that. So now we're incorporating a video component to that. So now we have a video that you can watch or you can read the email. So you have it all in writing, you don't have to watch it over again, but a lot of people would rather watch a video than read an entire email. It adds an engagement that you have with the customer. So if you're in a job right now that isn't a videographer job, you're not the in-house videographer, but let's say you're in marketing or sales or really anything, but you have videography skills, you've been doing these weddings on the side, use them. Bring them into the company or the space that you're in and say, hey, I have these skills, how can we use them? That makes you more marketable. Maybe someday if you want an in-house videographer job, this will be your pathway to that. But as you can see from all the data and all the lists of the most desired skills, video production is right up there. So you're gonna be valuable to the place that you work, you're gonna help them improve, you're gonna up whatever marketing that they're doing or trainings that they're doing. The customers or clients that you're serving, whoever you're serving, are gonna be more engaged. They're gonna have this people interaction instead of just this is a company that has text and they send me information or they're trying to sell me something. Instead, they have actual people on the other side of this video that they can interact with and know. Now this is such a broad thing. It can look like so many different things. So I'm speaking about my own personal experience of doing this, but get creative of how can you leverage your skills in video because they are a top 10 skill where you're at right now. I know weddings are a rough place to be in right now at this moment, but really try to think creatively about how right now you can incorporate that where you're at or in the future. Because my full-time job is not videography. It's marketing and coordination and outreach. And because I have these wedding videography skills, I've now been entrusted with all of this in-house equipment and to kind of take the lead on a lot of video projects, which is really exciting. And I think it can lead some really cool things in the future. So really try to brainstorm and see how you could leverage those skills that you have. I hope this was helpful. Thank you all so much for watching. If you like this video, please go ahead and click that subscribe button. I have a lot more videos just like this on the channel related both to wedding filmmaking as well as video production in general and everything surrounding those topics. Again, thank you so much for watching. See y'all in the next video.